Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We at the Cosmopolitan and I'm about to give a room tour, a newly renovated fountain view suite at the Cosmopolitan. Right now it is October 2020 and we are on the 58th floor of the Cosmopolitan in the water fountain view suite. Now on this video I'm just going to give you a full room tour. Now this room is 910 square feet. It has 2 bathrooms and a balcony. So we're gonna go over everything in this video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. So when you walk into the Cosmopolitan suite, you are greeted with the living room area. You can see we have a nice table, 4 chairs, and we also have a mini bar. Now the mini bar is very nice. Got a couple of nice artwork and got a ice holder. All right, got some cups. And we traveling during the pandemic, man. So let's see what it say. Save for some good, clean fun. So what they gave us is like, what these are, they're like black mask sanitizer. So yeah, we traveling during the pandemic, but I like that. You know, they give you 2. You know, masks and sanitizing wipes, and then we got the ice tray, you know, holder, and then we got an iPad here, man. So y'all see it's 11:42 right now, and we got the mini bar, right? You got the mini bar right here, and then it's a mini fridge, you know, with all of that in there. So yeah, and then in this door we got a whole nother bathroom. So this is the first bathroom. You can see the wall art. I love the artwork in this room. It's very sensual, sexual vibe. I'm talking about Sin City vibe. So we got a shower right here with this kind of tile, this colored tile finish. Got a nice shower right here. Got a nice rack with body lotion, shampoo, mouthwash, soap, shower cap. Alright, so we keep it pushing. Right here, we got the safe room, you know, just a mini closet. You can close this. Mini closet right here. Alright, it's a lot of plugs all over the room to charge your phone. It's a plug right there. But yeah, this is like the renovated living area. See, we got a couch, 2 nice coffee tables, and the Mavic mini drone right there. So see, we traveling during, you know, the Rona. Nice couch. And this is the first entrance to the balcony. Beautiful, just amazing. It's a mountain right there, mountain all the way down there, and a mountain over there. But you see, we're right here by the Bellagio, Caesar's Palace, Paris. It's like the perfect spot to be at night. They have a water show right there every night, so perfect spot to be. We're on the 58th floor. This is the water view. On the water view, you get to see the fountain show from your suite. We're pretty high up, as you can see. It's only 61 levels in the Cosmopolitan, and we on the 58th floor. So you see on the balcony, we got a couch, nice little stand. And just to let y'all know, Las Vegas is 420 friendly. You know, my whole floor smelled like loud, exotic. So yeah, coming back into the room, we have a TV right here, a big TV. This is like, gotta be like at least a 55 or 60 inch right here. More outlets and plugs down there, little end chair, and we got the bed. All right, got the bed. You can also close this off. I guess it's 2 ways. So it's like some grand entry. You know, you can just push both of these away. Right here, this is another TV in the suite. So another couch in the suite. You could also get to the balcony from the bedroom. Nice. One thing I like about Vegas is it has dry heat and it's not that many bugs and mosquitoes out here. More artwork behind the bed. This is something nice I want to point out too for all the readers. You can kind of use like if you was up late at night reading, yeah, kind of like a reader's lamp. Also comes with this Cosmopolitan pen with a notepad. His and her robes. Also, we got iron and board, dry cleaning services. We got slippers over there. Nice closet in the suite. Another mirror right here. It's nice. We got a door. Can't go in that door. Maybe if you get a double suite. Then we got another bathroom. Alright, double his or her bath. We got a nice shower. Let's go in the shower. I'll open from this way. Nice sit down shower. It's nice. We got a jacuzzi tub. See the little jacuzzi bubbles. Yep. And I like that. It's like you see that picture's like a woman's face engraved in a wall, but it's so suave, almost like cotton. And then we got another private bathroom. So this is the Cosmopolitan. This is the water fountain. This is the fountain view suite, the newly renovated fountain view suite. This is the master bath right here. Very nice. 910 square feet. It's a very big room. You know, I like that. I like this picture right here. I love the artwork in this room. It's Vegas. It's entertaining. You know, it's women. You know, I just love women. But yeah, a lot of beautiful women. They even got a little dog. But yeah, man, this really threw me off. I didn't even know this was right here. Another bathroom, because I couldn't go in this door. This is like another. Oh, I can go. Oh, yeah, this is like the door to connect to the other door. But yeah, it's your boy Yon World. Thank you for watching. That was the newly renovated Cosmopolitan Suite with the water view. Very nice suite, very nice room. I recommend it to anybody going to Vegas because you know the dispensaries are out here. You're gonna want a balcony to be on, and this is one of the only rooms on the strip with balconies. You can see like a lot of rooms. Well, this is a Cosmopolitan too, but a lot of rooms, you know, they just have standard rooms. They don't have balconies. So that's the main reason I got the Cosmopolitan, because they do have a balcony. So yeah. It's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. Peace.